UTP3315TFL is an economical DC power supply with excellent quality and excellent indicators. High stability and strong reliability. With short circuit, overload and reverse polarity protection. 4-digit LED voltage and current display. Voltage display range (0-THI or TY volts continuously adjustable. Current display range 0-5A continuously adjustable. 4-digit voltage and current high precision display. Voltage/current display resolution 10 MV/1 milliamp. Setting voltage/current parameter values can be operated by coarse/fine adjustment knob. Help users adjust more accurately to the required output value. Built-in radiator. The temperature of the power supply shell is not high when working at full load. Make the test environment stable and safe. Powering the circuit board with UTP3315TFL. Can test the working current of the development board. Convenient for testing.